Hey you guys, what is up? Etherielle here with another video, and today I just wanted to kind of inform you guys on everything that's been kind of going on. And just for the record, I am back and I will be continuing to start putting out more videos now, because now everything started to settle down. All of the stress of this early year has started to come to a close, and now we're finally getting to an equilibrium where I can actually actively have a schedule now, and I can actually film and actually do a lot more now. So that's going well right now, and you know, I got a lot of great surprises coming for you guys. So basically, I do want to inform you guys on kind of what I've been doing recently. My hair is in mini braids right now, because with my hair out and it being as long as it is, I currently am learning how to do my hair at that length. So because I didn't have any idea of what to do at the moment, I decided to do what I know best: put my hair in a protective style until I figure some things out. And that's what I've been doing currently. I think that right now I'm starting to form a bit of a schedule with how I'm going to do my hair when I take it out of these mini braids again, and how I'm going to be moving forward in the different styles that I will be doing. And it's not going to be a lot. It's going to be like 3 to 4 styles that I will have in my back pocket whenever I need to put my hair up while it's loose. So there's a lot of different things I've been doing. I've been planning on trying out the clumped curl method. With my hair, usually with the clumped curl method, you have to put your hair in these chunky kind of loose twists. So from what I've known from how my hair is, my hair doesn't do too well with twists. Not saying that my hair doesn't love twists, but it tends to want to lock quickly in twists. Like, I can't even go a week and a half without it trying to link up with my hair and make locks. So braids are really great for me. I was thinking in terms of doing braids, chunky braids, and then I leave them in for a week, and then I take them out and maybe then do loose twists with them to be able to kind of give the illusion of loose hair, kind of like how the urban bush babes do, where I think Cipriana, from what I've seen in her video, she actually like loose twists her hair. She puts her hair in like a bunch of these loose twists, and she puts like she wears them in like beautiful pompadour styles. And I think that now my hair is thick enough to be able to do things like that. So why not try it? There was so much chaos in the beginning of the year. It was crazy, but now I can actually breathe, and now I get to talk to you guys more and spend more time with you guys, being able to let you guys know what works for hair like mine and what might not work for hair like mine if you have hair like mine. With that being said, my hair currently right now has been in these braids for about 6 months. I do have a challenge coming for you guys. I can't wait to put that video out. But currently it's been in these braids for 6 months, and my hair is getting longer and longer. Mini braids are definitely the go-to for me. I love mini braids, but just to kind of let you guys in on how long my hair is recently, it's almost to the point where it's at tailbone length. It's literally an inch before my tailbone. So it's getting really crazy. I can't wait until my hair is like close to my knees, or like maybe my ankles. I'm definitely planning on growing my hair super duper long. That is the goal, okay? I definitely want to figure everything out with hair, because I'm so sick of this trope about Black people not being able to grow their hair long. No, I want to start a revolution, okay? A movement of long-haired naturals, okay? We need that in our community. Like, can't nobody say anything anymore about Black people not being able to grow long hair. That stereotype is long done. It's over, okay? I also, in the process of all of this chaos going on, I made another channel this channel that I have now, as you see, the name has changed. It's Etherielle Health and Beauty. The other channel that I have currently is called Etherielle, and the reason it's called Etherielle is because my main passion, the thing that I love the most, is music. And basically I want to get to a point where I'm able to make money from the music that I create. Like, this has always been a part of me. And honestly, to be straight with you guys, I was scared to do what I initially wanted to do. So if you guys are interested in the channel that I'm talking about now, feel free to go over and subscribe to that channel as well if you're interested. You know, not everybody's interested in watching somebody, you know, play guitar. Right now on my channel, I'm learning, I'm doing vlogs on how I'm learning to play guitar. I've gotten really good at it really quickly, but this is the key for me to be able to go out and perform for right now. So that's the next step on the channel, but right now we're doing baby steps. So feel free, if you want to check up on, you know, how I'm doing on that channel, feel free to go over that channel. Like, I'd appreciate it so much. But yeah, a lot of things moving around here, trying to clean up my social media, all that good stuff, okay? But I hope that you guys are doing well, and I'm back on here, and I will be trying to post every 2 weeks, and then eventually, as things start to get better and better, and once I start to get a rhythm down, it will start being once every week, and then eventually 2 times a week. That is the ultimate goal. Right now we're doing baby steps, okay? Not trying to get stressed out over here, okay? You know, so at the end of the day, thank you guys so much. And I also wanted to thank you guys also for giving me 1,000 subs. I know I have not made a video on this, but thank you so much for giving me 1,000 subs. I am so excited. This gives me so much happiness, and it gives me more confidence to be able to give you guys more information on how I grew my hair this long, you know. And thank you again for supporting me. This would not have happened if you guys didn't support me and you guys weren't watching me. So I do appreciate it. All thanks to you. I'm excited for what I have to bring to you guys. I hope that you guys like it, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. This is Etherielle signing off. Bye.